How to add order notes on Shopify cart page checkout. In this quick little tutorial, I'm going to show you everything needed to add this order note thing right here onto your checkout page. Now, to get started, you will have to actually head over to the Shopify dashboard, and then under themes, you will actually have to find the current theme that you are going to use. Now, no worries, this method is going to work for all of the different themes out there, so no matter what theme you're going to be using, this is going to work perfectly fine. Then right here, just click on customize to open up the Shopify theme editor, and then make sure to simply just add any kind of icon to your cart so that everything is going to be correctly displayed. And then right here on top, you will have to actually change the view of the editor to the cart page. So to do so, just select cart right here. And then as you can see right here, you do then have the overview of your cart page, and then you will have to select the subtotal section right here on the left, and then under theme settings, you can either disable or enable the cart note section on your cart page. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course, so make sure to click on the link down below to get started.